Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can equip 3 hairs on Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now I'm inside the Roblox website on my Windows computer right here, and the first thing that you want to do is to open up a new tab, and inside you can just go ahead and search for BT Roblox. Now this is a Chrome extension. It is completely safe to install. You can just go ahead and get it from the Chrome Web Store. Click on the add to Opera or add to your browser right here. Click on add extension and it should go ahead and install right in. Well, right after seeing this message, you can just go ahead and navigate back to roblox.com, and inside you want to go ahead and refresh the official page of Roblox. And as you can go ahead and see, it has changed some of the UI that we have right here, and that means that we have successfully installed the extension. You can just go ahead and navigate through your avatar right here and go ahead and open up the hair section. And once inside the hair section, you can just go ahead and select the hairs that you want to equip. And as you can go ahead and see, I have this checkbox right here beside each hairs, and now I can go ahead and equip 3 hairs on my account. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.